Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a blog using GeneratePress. First, you will need to select a web host and register your unique domain name. Next, install WordPress on your hosting account, which usually takes just a few clicks. After that, install and activate the GeneratePress theme directly from your WordPress dashboard. For enhanced customization and powerful features, consider upgrading to the premium version, GeneratePress Premium, which offers many more options. Now, let's dive into designing your blog's appearance. Navigate to the WordPress customizer, where you will find all the GeneratePress theme options. Here, you can easily adjust your typography, select a color palette, and fine-tune your layout settings. Remember to create a distinctive header and footer that truly represent your brand. Don't forget to upload your logo and favicon in the site identity section for a professional touch. With your design in place, it's time to add content. Learn how to create new blog posts and static pages within WordPress. Effectively organize your content using categories and tags to improve discoverability for your readers. Next, build intuitive custom navigation menus, typically found in your header or footer, to help visitors easily explore your site. You can also add a sidebar with useful widgets for additional functionality. Before launching, let's optimize your blog. Install essential plugins for search engine optimization and robust security to protect your site. Make sure to optimize all your images to ensure faster loading times, which is crucial for user experience. Thoroughly review your site on different devices, like phones and tablets, to confirm it is fully responsive. Finally, publish your blog and proudly share it with your new audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.